صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
Dawateislami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published book, Taubah ki Riwayat or Hikayat, consisting of 132 pages, states on page 11, with the reference of At-Targhib wa-Tarhib. It is reported by Hazrat Sayyidina Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu that Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, when a person repents, then Allah makes the angels who record his bad deeds to forget his sins. In the same way, He makes that person's body parts, that is his hands, legs, etc., forget committing those sins, and He erases the stain of sins from the earth. Furthermore, when that bondman would meet Allah on the day of judgment, Almighty Allah will not let any witness come forward for that person's sins.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
I must strive to rectify myself in the people of the whole world.
إن شاء الله عز وجل.